This just in. I made a reaction, and someone has the balls to do a reaction and say, you know what, you're right. And also, yeah, it's true. You can't. The hidden factor is no one has ever made power, electricity, from a fission. Sorry, sorry, a fusion reactor. No one has ever made the hydrogen into tritium nonsense and used it to actually make electricity even once. They always make these silly little prototypes that don't incorporate making power. And I don't understand why. It's ridiculous. But also, yeah, I've been
Nuclear
on.
fission powers reactors in submarines. It releases millions of times more energy than chemistry. So why don't we use it for space propulsion? This is building the Expanse's future.
I'm pretty sure also. No, I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it because yeah, she's right. It is fission. You don't. But wait, hold on. Let me look at the.
Nuclear fission powers reactors in submarines. It releases millions of times more energy than chemistry. So why don't we use it for space propulsion?
Okay,
This is building.
I have to tell you that the only thing I can say is the tiny little particles doing the thing is not uranium, and I don't know what that is, but it doesn't matter. I'm on 1% making a video about your stuff, and it's like, dude, such fan though. But seriously though, why don't anyone understand how you can use sound to control neutrons? It's such a simple thing. You just have the right frequency to make the area of standing waves that make everything stay still. And then you can make an entire grid of that, and you can control neutrons in the reactor, then use the electromagnetic field to control the protons. You won't make power, but you will be able to recreate matter on scale. And that is entirely weird. Also, the other thing is, you got to realize, okay, electrons can be out of the picture and then you can do easy fusion. It's called cold fusion. And people ignore it. And it fucking happened. And we made tritium, but we didn't use sound to control things, and we didn't, like, you would think electromagnetism needs electrons to do it, but no, it does not. Protons also react to electromagnetic fields, which are not electrons, but it's the energy that binds electrons to protons. So if you use that same energy, you can still move the protons inside a reaction. And then the neutrons are only able to be moved by a force carrying wave, so sound. And there you have it.